learn how to replace certificates in the PowerProtect Data Manager UI. Before we begin, ensure you have reviewed the information in the PPDM Certificate Management section and are aware of the postrequisites after security certificates are replaced, both outlined in the PPDM Security Configuration Guide. Now, log into the PPDM Data Manager UI. Navigate to the Administration section and select Certificates. This will bring up the Certificates window. Here you'll find the Replace Certificates option under the Internal tab. Clicking this will open the Replace Certificates dialog box. For the server's private certificate, you have two options. Either click Upload File to browse for the RSA private certificate file, or paste the certificate's contents directly into the field provided. Remember, PowerProtect Data Manager will validate your input to ensure there are no errors before proceeding. If your private certificate is encrypted, you'll be prompted to enter the password in the encrypted private key password field that appears. For the server's public certificate chain, repeat the same steps. Either upload the file or paste the contents into the field. Once you've ensured all information is correct, click Replace. PowerProtect Data Manager will then replace the security certificates for both the UI server and the REST API. To finalize the process, if you have any open UI sessions, simply refresh the page to allow the new certificates to take effect. Thank you for watching.